hey, I wanted to make this in maybe one part, but probably two parts, but apparently three parts. So how does it fit and you do it on your wrist? Well, let's just see this. Kind of a pain to put it on your wrist. Actually, you know what? You're supposed to put this in first, so. I don't think it tells you which way it goes. Let's see. Okay, so it looks like it goes this way, which this little loop goes up, and you know the little locking mechanism goes down. So let's set this device in here. And to turn the device off, you could deseat it through the app. You could just touch the power button, or the best thing, just touch these two little pawns on the bottom here, and that auto desinks it. Also, if you turn your phone off, that will also turn it off. So if you turn your phone off to save the battery, and you just put it in your pocket, and then when you take it out and you open your Pokemon Go app, do reconnect it, and then you could do all different things. So how easy is this to insert into the little rubber band here? Not that easy. I'm trying to see where is the easiest way to do this. Which is a very good question here. How do we actually insert this into the device here? I mean, it's showing that it could go to either end, but does the whole thing go in there? No, it's got to clip somewhere. It's showing that it sticks out a bit, so I am very confused on how the heck. Okay, so you just kind of get the pawns in there first, and then you just pull it up and stretch it, and it looks like I caught an item or something. What the heck? No, I don't want my buddy. Let me go to the journal. Yeah, I just caught. No, I didn't catch. Two Pokemon just ran away. A Manchop and a Charmander. So popping this thing in here is a pain to pop it in here, and it feels nice and secure on the bottom. On the top here, it doesn't feel secure, but it is security lock in there. I don't know why there's a switch on the back here, because it could only go on the top, but I guess you could put it backwards. Now comes the big question: how do we actually put this on us? Because I know the Pokemon Go one, I think it has adjustable strap, and then you could just hit a detachable lock, like a quick release lock to take it on and off. This one seems like you actually have to kind of have it laying down on something. Let me move that out of the way, but and then do that, and then when you finally get it, which I said finally get it, and I am going to kind of leave this a little bit loose just for this review here, and then it locks in. So it does lock in. It does have plenty of room if you have very small wrists, which yeah, I kind of have small wrists. Like right now, it's actually a little too loose on me, but you can see it obviously moving of how much room I have to play with here. Which it actually feels nice against the wrist and smooth. Like, I mean, the original Pokemon Go Plus one, a lot of people are saying that it jets out because it kind of is rounded at the top, and then it has that sharp little point at the bottom that people were stabbing themselves, not stabbing themselves bleeding, but it was just a pain to do stuff with. And the battery life was very short, people were saying. To replace the batteries and stuff, it was hard. Now this one, I do feel that the band is going to wear out pretty fast when you're taking this on and off and stuff, which ironically, I actually had this upside down. Yeah, the GOTCHA is supposed to go the other way. It's fun what they showed here, but anyway, you know, when I'm done, I'll just pop this out and then put it in the white way, but yeah. Now, they're saying that there's Pokemon around, but nothing actually, you know, spawning nearby me, you know, as of this moment, but yeah. And to take it off is real easy. So let me see how the heck do I... Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, that was kind of a no-no type of thing. I can't find it right now. I gotta, you know, go underneath my review table and find a little actual device. So yeah, good news for watching, and stay around to part 3 of this video. When you pop it out of the bracelet, because you do have to actually pop it out of the bracelet, make sure you have something nearby to catch it. Like pop it in a box, like a little colored box. If you have a little bag, try popping it in the bag. You know, something like that. Because as you've seen, I just tried popping it out, which, you know, I figured it wouldn't actually go flying across my view table and pop off like that. I figured, you know, it would just kind of pop out a little bit and then, you know, I could grab and just pull it out. No, it just went So yes, do be aware of that. When it's a pain to pop it into the device, the little band, and you almost need safety goggles because it's almost like a loaded airsoft gun. Because pushing it out, it'll go takes off. So if you're gonna, you know, take it out to charge it when someone's nearby, get on a heads up, get on one and say, you might want to put safety glasses on it or move out of the way because this thing's gonna fly out here like a bullet, and it probably won't hurt you, but you know what I mean. As we saw that, it just flew right out of there. And like I said, I didn't think that was gonna, you know, go flying like right out there. I thought it was gonna, you know, kind of wither itself out a little bit, and then, you know, I could go take that, just pull the device out. You know, so yeah, unfortunately, like I said right here, I do feel that this device is definitely worth, you know, the $45 price. But like I said, be smart, be safe, you know. Buy from GameStop. Do not buy this on eBay, because eBay is going to whip you off and give you the one that you do not want. And someone else that, you know, bought the eBay one said the whole device only lasted 3 days, would not recharge, could not contact, you know, eBay to get their money back, saying, okay, this is a defective product and stuff. So definitely, if you are going to pick this one up, it is better than the Pokemon Go Plus and the GOTCHA Amazon. No, GameStop. Yeah, GameStop. Now, what about the GOTCHA Ranger? I have no freaking idea about the GOTCHA Ranger. But, yeah. Now, 2 little fun things. I actually put away the other thing. But here is the code card. So you can get a shiny Pokemon, which is a Ultra Beast, over at GameStop, level 40. Fun fact, this one's only available for Pokemon Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon. And if you want to get, excuse me, Yu-Gi-Oh! Not Yu-Gi-Oh! I mean, why did I say Yu-Gi-Oh! I mean, Latios and Latias. If you want to get those 2 Pokemon that was in Pokemon Sea Ranger, which I believe was the 3rd movie. Because I don't think it came out with Pokemon Forever, which was the 4th movie. That one was all about Celebi. I believe that one was the 3rd movie. Pokemon Rescue Ranger or something like that one. Yeah, so if you want to get those code cards for Latios and Latias, which, you know, works for Sun, Moon, Ultra Sun, Ultra Moon, Best Buy is doing that. if you want to get the shiny Ultra Beast in GameStop. And I don't know why the Pokemon Company is now selling them all around the world. I mean, not around the world, but to different stores. I mean, usually you go to GameStop, you pick up your Pokemon code card for Sun, Moon, Ultra Moon, and you know, you're there. Then, 1 month they're like, oh no, it's not going to be at GameStop, it's going to be at Target. And this month they kind of split it into 2 categories, where if you want Latios and Latias, you gotta go to GameStop. And if you want the shiny Ultra Beast, you gotta go to GameStop. So Best Buy, Lugia, and why do I always say Lugia? I mean Latios and Latias. For some reason I'm just feeling Lugia today. But Latios, Latias, head over to Best Buy to pick up those Pokemon and GameStop, which is kind of cool because they're doing a double whammy this month, I guess. So instead of getting 1 legendary Pokemon, or you know, sometimes 2 legendary Pokemon, you know, 1 for Suns, 1 for Moons, they're actually doing that, and on top of that, you know, a shiny legendary. So yeah. So just for, you know, because it's Pokemon related, I know it's not a Pokemon Go thing, but you know, still Pokemon stuff. Like I said, Best Buy, Latios, Latias, GameStop, shiny legendary. Not legendary, shiny Ultra Beast. I'm used to the other ones being legendary, so if you're like, dude, this is not a legendary, you know, usually like last time I think was Groudon and Kyogre and some other legendaries. So yeah, just for to let you know about this. But yeah, so yeah, that's all the pieces that come in here, minus, you know, the actual device that flew off my review tail that, you know, I actually gotta go and find after I'm done with this video. So yeah, hopefully, you know, you learn a lot of stuff about this. Definitely worth it. Get it from GameStop, eBay, because, you know, they're liars, cheaters, scammers. We know how eBay is. They're the dark web.